Thermokinesis is the ability to mentally manipulate the motion of molecules, thus changing temperature in the immediate vicinity. To decelerate the molecules of an object, visualize little fiery red, spherical balls, representing the atoms of the object, moving fast around in the area of the object. Visualize the color white replacing the appearance of the object, but keep the shape of the object in your visual model. Now, visualize the little fiery red balls now moving around slowly. Visualize them suddenly becoming an icy blue color, representing the object becoming colder. Do this for as long as you feel necessary. This is all that I will tell you how to do, because the rest I want all you thermokinetics to experiment with on your own. You have the basis of how to accelerate and decelerate molecules, so try it out next time with something a little more different, like the air around you. Good luck all of you thermokinetics.